9:15 right now, and we are in the queue.
We should order something like this.
Thank you, guys.
We're here at the Hungry Bear. This is our entrance to Galaxy's Edge today. Everybody's here that has a wristband for 11 to 3. Controlled chaos. It's really happening.
I gotta film it.
Like 100 people at a time, and not everyone.
Please have your green wristband. You only stop at the chance to your wristband.
I don't know.
These people are trying to get out. I just want to go to the bathroom.
I just want to get. I just want to like go shopping. Wristbands. Thank you.
Quit stepping on my shoes.
Quit giving me a flat tire. Oh my gosh, we've never been this far. We're going into the depths of Galaxy's Edge. You may be filmed. Here we go.
Are we in?
Yeah, we are in Galaxy's Edge.
So it's only 10:30.
We're in.
This is it.
This is it.
Oh, you want to get over this one?
Look at Galaxy's Edge trash can.
Galaxy's Edge.
Everybody is recording this. There it is, coming up.
Oh, yeah. Oh, really?
I mean,
It's Star Wars. Here's the buzzing. You guys have fun. Thank you. Good force be with you. And to you. Thank you.
Adam.
Fabulous.
Welcome to Blackspire. Night Suns.
Sir, I'd be careful with that t-shirt around here.
Like Jurassic Park-ish.
That's pretty. That's pretty. That's
Right there. Remember, one team, 7 screens. Extra foul.
Keep your groups together, please, applicants. No experience necessary.
This is Malta. What's the problem? According to the
That's the
manifest,
top of the
top on train
Millennium
is over
Falcon.
800 barrels of... Yeah, this is an oxidizer foam, and these barrels that say oxidizer foam, it's actually... Oh, the viewer must be mistaken.
Trying to fire the Millennium Falcon.
They're illegal, you know that. Ship them. Well, you know, I had a bad feeling about that last group, but this, this is the group I've been waiting for, yes. Come in. I have an opportunity for you all that is very dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends to danger? You insult my honor, and believe me, I have very little honor to insult.
Hondo, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around him. This is... Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get those profits. What? No, the First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go.
Look at that, baby. Can you see that? Pilot.
Okay, go ahead and go on in. Where does the pilot go? Pilots go left, right, or up, down. Go ahead and find your medallions on the floor and gunners.
We're engineers.
We gotta come back next.
Left, right, or up, or
Right now, you can just park right there.
Hi, pilot, yeah, right over here on the...
Gosh.
There, right on the floor. Wow. I'm just going to explain your mission here in just a couple of minutes.
Awesome. That's cool. It's so freaking cool. I'm trying to keep my language family friendly.
Oh, it's on.
Well, there's no family.
There's no little kids around here.
Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a First Order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now, as you go forth, my friends, I want to remind you to be careful. Safety first. Well, profit first, but safety is a close second. I want to make sure you and the cargo get back with no mishaps.
He does, yeah. He looks like
R5, what is going on?
Seriously.
Captain Jack after his...
Power fluctuation in the main engine. That's impossible. I had all those components checked personally.
David Jones.
Oh yeah.
Okay, my friends. This is what we in the business call a power failure. But it is no cause for concern, as we have systems in place to deal with this sort of thing. Avad, tell me we have systems in place to deal with this sort of thing. Yes, of course, the emergency power supply. Just what I was about to suggest. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Why? What are we supposed to do until then? Stand around in the dark like a cave full of minox? I have to tell you, this is not typical for Onaka Transport Solutions. We are professionals, here to the highest authority. This sort of thing never happens around here.
I think I bought a car from him.
Really? It happens twice a day? Just follow the crew member, my friends, and I assure you, everything else on today's mission will go perfectly.
Perfectly, yeah. Just...
How many of these little things they have going at the same time?
6, I think.
6?
I think it's 6.
I think there's 12.
Oh, really? The way they're going through people. 12?
All right, crew. Cockpit's ready for you. Come on in. You can just, yeah, leave that right here. Or actually, you can, yeah, just put it over here. Pilots in the front row. Gunners,
Pilot. Pilot's in the front row. Okay.
I suggest a new strategy, Archon. Only different in your mind.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
Move aside.
I'll text her.
Kylo's so rude. He would you pay attention.
Deploy patrol units, Lieutenant.
Yes, sir.
I ask because I didn't see them. I want stormtroopers crawling this outpost. Till we have what we need, no one rests. You don't rest. Understood?
Understood, sir. Troopers! I want recon and patrol units in the streets. If that spy is here, I want her found. Failure is not an option for any of us. Am I clear?
Affirmative.
Good. Now move out!
Stay back.
Out of my way.
Moving on.
Are you waiting for something? So Oga's not letting anybody else in right now. Got it. Close the line. I understand that. Oga, you don't really want to be here, right? She's the top boss. And she's the one running things, so when she says go, she says no more for right now, she means no more for right now. But I know you got credits, right? You do? Everyone has credits? She'll let you in. She wants to get that. She doesn't. Doc definitely does, okay? Thank you. He's the money. Okay.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
The Jedi uses the Force. This is the weapon of the Jedi. The Force will be with you. That'll be all.
Fight the power.
Careful, citizen. Someone might question your loyalty. That's a no. The Jedi uses the Force. This is the weapon of the Jedi. The Force will be with you. Always.
Is he gonna be able to breathe in there?
Yes, he does.
Oh, there you go.
Don't worry, he's a nice
little work. The real world, Batu. Until next time, Batu, thank you.
This one,
That
yeah,
one?
he's
Is
tame.
that tame?
Yeah.
Because
that one's not. That one's an imposter.
I went to Batu, and my wife picked up one of these things. But we'll still stop it. Quit. Enough out of you.
See?
I know, and
That's why we keep
it's
them in
out
this
of control.
compartment, so
I
they
know.
don't get free.
Is it maybe it's the what I'm feeding it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It needs a well-balanced
Less protein. Less
Yeah.
protein.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.